Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
There is one kind of request that they need a lot of practice.
Okay.
So here they didn't get a time for practice. That is number one.
Okay.
Number two, now for maths and science, now there are some questions which needs to be, they should give a thought over it, and then only they have to write the papers.
Okay.
So some unseen questions like where they really need to read it and then answer it.
This
So
entire
this is only because of pandemic, na. Because
Okay.
of pandemic, the students, they are not used for writing these long papers.
Yes, yes.
So they should think we should give them sufficient time. That's only because maths and science, most of the students, they found it a little difficult, no?
Okay.
Some students, they find it difficult, and therefore there's a need. There was a request also from the headmaster forum. That
Okay.
there was a request from the headmaster forum, and we also thought that we should give them some sufficient time.
Okay.
This has, in fact, this has come at the time of first terminal examination, but they requested us quite late, so we could
Okay.
not take
Fine,
the
fine.
decision there.